歡迎收睇 JTube，又係我阿 Jeff。I'm
Leon。
今集咧，我哋又介紹一下咧，如果要同個鬼佬有啲 conversation， 咁啊不外乎咧，我哋都係講幾樣嘢啦。第一樣嘢就講下天氣啦，亦都可以講下，如果同男仔梗係講下女人啦，係嘛？咁啊，亦都可以講下電影嘅喎，因為咧外國人咧通常都有好多嘢講嘅，同你如果講電影嘅話，咁啊，如果我哋想描述一下好嘅電影，我哋英文可以點講咧？或者有啲爛片，我哋英文又可以點講咧？
一齊睇片，
一齊睇片。
Hey, Leon.
Hey.
Nice to meet you. I'm gonna see a movie tonight. Do you wanna come?
Oh, which one are you going to see?
I'm gonna see 127 Seconds. Hey, come back.
Oh, I've already seen that one.
How was it?
Oh, the movie sucked.
Suck what?
No, I mean it sucked.
I mean, suck what?
No, it sucked.
Suck what?
It sucked.
Suck what?
Oh, never mind.
頭先睇完個片段最尾嗰度，會發現好奇怪，點解 Jeff 不斷問佢塞乜嘢，佢又話 just suck。其實咧就反映咗當時嘅 Jeff 咧唔知道塞呢個字，除咗可以解吸之外、絕之外，原來仲可以形容啲嘢唔掂、屎、爛。OK， 如果我哋要形容一套戲好爛嘅，我哋可以講翻呢一句咯。
The movie sucked.
The movie sucked。亦都我哋可以用另外一句講嘅噃。
The movie was rubbish.
The movie was rubbish。最後啦，亦都可以講呢一句。
The movie was crap.
The movie was crap， 都係解釋套戲好爛㗎。唔係睇親嘅戲都係爛片㗎嘛，可以係正嘅片都有㗎，係咪？譬如 Black Swan 或者 Inception 咁樣，咁我哋應該係點樣去形容呢啲咁嘅戲咧？我哋又可以講
The movie was enjoyable.
The movie was enjoyable。第二啦，我哋亦都可以講
The movie was awesome.
The movie was awesome。最後啦，亦都可以講
The movie was sublime.
The movie was sublime。希望下次你見到鬼佬嘅時候，識得去形容一套戲究竟係好戲定係爛戲。繼續收睇我哋 JTube 頻道。今日呢，日本。